Hey everyone, and welcome to Isms by Josie. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of a stamping kit that I purchased from Amazon. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in. And for my new viewers, please consider subscribing, share, hit that like button, leave a comment below, and click on that notification bell for future videos. So I was looking for a stamper replacement from the one that I have because it's very old and I've beaten it up. So when I was looking on Amazon, I saw a bunch of kits, and there were these stamping plates. I almost lost my words there. That caught my eye, so I decided to get this kit. This kit is by Biutee, and they're selling it currently for $17.09. Here are the backups rubber stamper or silicone stampers, and it comes with 7 bottles of color. And I'm just gonna open one because I'm curious to see what consistency these stamping polishes are. So yeah, it's fairly thick. It's a lot thicker than my Born Pretty polishes. But I guess it has to be if it's coming out of a squeeze tube. So that's going to be interesting to use when I do this part 2 video. But it comes with all these colors. This is green, yellow, black, white, blue, and silver. That one's going to be cool to look at. So we'll have something to look forward to. And then it also comes with the actual stamper, and it has its own silicone stamping in there, along with the swipe card, which is another thing that I need because, as I said in my previous video, I'm using my ID card from like middle school. But here's the stamper, and I want to see if it has the same oculus as my other one, and it does. So it's pretty empty inside. You can remove the stamper and see right through it. And then the other end has a smaller size stamper, and when you remove that, there is kind of something there. And I don't know why they do that. I think maybe for structure. But yeah, and then it comes with these 5 stamping plates, and I'm going to open it right now, but I think if you saw the top plate, you'll know why I got this. So, flipping this over, as you can see, there's a plate of kitties. As you know, Dexter is my Black American short hair, and so I'll definitely be wanting to use that. And here's a plate here. It's more, it's got a, what are those? A dream catcher. And some other pretty feathers. And then what do they call these? Like a mandala? It's got all these intricate designs. I could do some really wonderful reverse stamping with those. And then here are some geometric shapes. They have some large shapes here, so it'll be interesting to stamp those. And then these are other kinds of patterns that look really cool. Looking forward to using that. So it comes with these 5 plates, and I can't wait to use them. I'm not going to be swatching in the part 2. I'm just going to be doing individual nail designs using each plate, so that's going to be interesting. And then it also comes with a user manual, which is always great because I feel that, like most of us, are always trying to feel our way through these stamping plate products. But here are the written instructions as well as the warnings. And then there's differences between the stamping gel versus stamping polish. Yeah, a lot of people don't know that you can use pretty much gel or stamping polish for the stamping plates. But that's about it. Join me in part 2 as I use this Biutee Stamping Gel Set. This is Isms by Josie. Please share, like, and subscribe for future videos, and I'll see you again next time. Thanks. Bye.